In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF forms to Microsoft Forms automagically. If you have a static PDF that you're tired of emailing back and forth, this quick workflow will turn it into a digital form you can edit, distribute, and collect responses from in minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft Forms. You may be prompted to sign in with your work or school account. Before you import anything, it helps if your PDF is clear and legible. Clean, typed forms with clearly labeled fields convert best, while very complex, multi-column layouts or PDFs with images embedded around the fields may require a bit of cleanup after import. On the Forms homepage, look for the option called Quick Import. It usually appears near where you'd create a new form. Click Quick Import to begin the conversion process. This tells Microsoft Forms you want to automatically extract questions and fields from an existing document. When the import window opens, choose Upload from this device. Navigate to the PDF you want to convert and select it. Use the original, non-password protected file if possible, and avoid scanned copies with handwriting. Those tend to be less accurate. Consistent formatting in the PDF, like bold labels for questions and regular text for instructions, also helps the importer recognize the right pieces. Next, you'll be asked whether the file should become a form or a quiz. Choose form for surveys, registrations, and general data collection. Choose quiz if you need right and wrong answers, automatic scoring, and points. You can switch between these later, but picking the right option now sets up helpful defaults. After the upload finishes, click Start Review. This is where you verify that the structure, questions, and answer choices converted correctly. Work through the form from top to bottom. Check that multiple choice questions have the right options. Text questions are marked as short or long answer appropriately, and any dates, numbers, or email fields are set to the right type. For quizzes, confirm correct answers and point values. If your original PDF had sections or headings, make sure they were captured as titles or descriptions. Complex tables or side-by-side fields may import as separate questions, adjust wording, or merge content so it reads clearly. Remove any stray text the importer grabbed by mistake, and fix any punctuation or spacing. Think about required questions too. Turn them on where missing information would cause problems later. When the review looks good, you're done. You've turned a static PDF into a live Microsoft form that's easier to manage, update, and collect responses from, all in just a few clicks.